Okay, so I bought this little Zippo multi-tool type thing off of my nephew the other day. I think it's called a Surefire or something like that. But anyway, it's pretty cool. This is a tinder grader to like shave fine wood or whatever. And then it's got this little striker that comes out. And we're going to see if we can get a fire going with it, because I watched several YouTube videos and people seem to struggle with it. So we're going to see if we can get it to work. Let me change my camera and I'll get back with you. Okay, I'm going to try a little different technique. Most people that I've seen, they just try flicking it like that. Well, I'm going to try a two-hand technique and we'll see if we can get it going. By granny, I believe it works.